Hi everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to upload music on SoundCloud. Now to do that, open the SoundCloud application first. Once you open the SoundCloud application, you will be at this homepage. Here on this homepage, you need to tap on the arrow inside the circle on the top right corner of your screen. You need to tap that arrow within the circle, tap that. It will direct you to the audio section on your mobile device. Tap on audio and you will find all the files that is over here on your phone. So to upload it, you just tap that song that you want to upload on your SoundCloud. It will direct you to this page where you will need to provide the title, pick a genre, describe your track, add a caption to your post. Make this track public. If you want to make this track public, you can tap that. If not, you can tap on it and it will be a private track for your SoundCloud. Tap on pick genre. And from here you can choose the genre of your song. Likewise, describe your track. You can type in the details over here. And then add a caption if you want to provide a caption for you to make it public. Once all the detail is done, you need to tap on save. And the audio or the music will be uploaded on your SoundCloud account. So this is how you can upload any music on SoundCloud. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.